Thank you. 非常感谢。
哎，How are you？
好，请回答。
Nice to meet you.
你好吗？你好。好 ，warmly welcome.
Oh, thank you. 谢谢。谢谢。And she's in charge of this.
This is a simulating terror house. 就是他是不是负责这个地方的这个？是吧？我们这次的任务呢，总共是517名水电出海。
Wow. So this is the floor, right?
这是 engine.
Oh, the engine.
Engine.
Very modern. So.
这是你家是
This is a crewman. 这个是我们建的一教室。This is the first classroom.
First classroom.
Yes.
How many classrooms?
我们建有2个这样的教室。There are 2 classrooms on board. Yeah. 然后这个教室呢有这样的海豚桌椅。
Yeah, I was going to say, you train the future captains.
总统阁下过来实行的是一阶礼仪，然后他们再叫丈夫
分区列队。
分区列队。
So because Your Excellency made a special.
Very busy man.
非常劳累。We can ask the cadets to deliver speech, make a report.
From there.
也有2个。The data online can be transmitted and projected.
For a small country like Fiji, it is always nice to have a country like your country, the People's Republic of China, as a friend.
那么，作为一个小国，斐济呢非常高兴，也非常荣幸拥有中国这么一个强大的一个好朋友。
Now, Fiji is a very small, developing nation, surrounded by a big Pacific Ocean, and we've had our difficulties, our challenges, as we grow up to mature into a democratic nation.
那么，斐济呢作为一个小国，也作为一个发展中国家，那么我们周围呢是大海，那么对于我们来说，也有很多面临着很多的挑战和困难。
We had our difficulties, but over the years, no, the People's Republic of China is always there when we get into trouble.
那么，虽然面临这些困难呢，但是感谢中国政府的这个帮助，我们也能够克服这些困难。
As we transition politically to a state of maturity, we face many challenges, but it is so good to know that a big, very powerful influence like China, the Republic of China, is always there to help us when we haven't got too many friends around the region. For that, we are so thankful.
那么，虽然我们面临诸多挑战，但是呢，非常幸运有这个中华人民共和国这样一个好朋友，长期以来给我们一些帮助，让我们渡过难关，克服困难。
And one of the main reasons why I wanted to come separately is to thank the Admiral and the officers, men and women of the ship. Because not too long ago, when I was the government minister, I had the honor and privilege of meeting your leader, Xi Jinping, a great man.
那么，再次非常感谢将军阁下以及在座的所有的中国的代表。那么呢，在此之前呢，我也非常有幸和中国国家主席习近平会面。
And as the head of state, the good admiral made some reference to it. I intend to pursue further, and strengthen our bilateral relations as the good ambassador knows about. Now, not too long ago, I received a very nice letter from President His Excellency. Wrote me a very nice congratulations message when we celebrated our 49th independence.
那么呢，另外呢，我也希望进一步加强这个和这个中国的传统友谊。另外呢，也非常有幸迎接将军阁下率领这个戚继光到访。另外呢，我们从1947年建国以来呢，一直和中国保持着非常良好的关系。
So everyone, I hope you enjoyed your short stay, and I know you will probably heading back to a great country. For me, we wish you a safe journey home.
谢谢。然后这边有一个。
No, my pleasure. Have a safe trip back. Come back again to visit us sometime. You must come back, Cassie. Thank you. Now we're going down? Well, why don't you take the lead from there? Okay. 谢谢一下，可以。哇，慢一点。